How to install the plugin free version. Navigate to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Make sure WooCommerce is already installed and activated. Click Add Plugin. In the search bar, type Asana plugins or easy upsells, related products and product recommendations for WooCommerce. Click Install Now, then click Activate. Once activated, the plugin is successfully installed. Click on the Upsells tab to begin creating upsells, add-ons, related products, and recommendations. How to create a product upsell in WooCommerce. Navigate to Upsells tab. Click on Add New. Go to the Product Upsell section and click Add. Open the Offers tab. Add Offer 1 and select the product you want to promote. Add Offer 2 and select a product. Add Offer 3 and select a product. Set the discount type to percentage, then enter 10% as the discount amount. Navigate to the General tab. Choose your preferred heading style. Enable the option to add a link to the products. Set the position for where the upsell will appear on the product page. Under Targeting, select Products. Select Include, then pick the product where this upsell will be displayed. Enter a name for your upsell campaign. Go to the Design tab. Adjust the product button color or any other styling options as needed. Save your changes. Once everything is set up, your product upsell section will automatically appear on the Glow Bloom long-lasting product page. The offers you added will display according to your chosen theme and layout. How to create a cart upsell in WooCommerce. Navigate to the Upsells section. Click on Add New. Go to the Cart Upsell section and click Add. Enter a name for your cart upsell campaign. Open the Offers tab. Add offer 1, then select the product you want to promote. Add offer 2, then choose another product. Set the discount type to percentage, and enter 20% as the discount amount. Navigate to the General tab. Choose your preferred heading style. Set the position for where the upsell will appear on the cart page. Under Conditions, set the rule to display the upsell when the cart includes at least one of the selected products. Save your changes. Once everything is configured, the cart upsell will automatically appear at the top of the cart page whenever a customer has at least one of the selected products in their cart. How to create a checkout upsell in WooCommerce. Navigate to the Upsells section, click on Add New. Go to the Checkout Upsell section and click Add. Open the Offers tab. Add offer 1, then select a product. Set the discount type to price, and enter a discount amount of 5. Set the quantity for the offer. Add offer 2, then select a product. Add offer 3, and choose a product. For offer 3, set the discount type to percentage and enter 10% as the discount amount. Navigate to the General tab. Set the position for where the upsell will display on the checkout page. Under Conditions, configure the rule to show the upsell when product categories in cart include at least one product from the perfume category. Enter a name for your checkout upsell. Save your changes. Once everything is set, the checkout upsell will automatically appear at the top of the checkout page whenever a customer's cart contains at least one product from the perfume category.